billions of stars, but not a single alien? Look up at the night sky. Every twinkling dot is a sun, and many of those suns have planets just like Earth. Statistically speaking, our galaxy alone could host thousands, if not millions, of intelligent alien civilizations. So where are they? I am Quantum, and today let us investigate about the famous Fermi Paradox. This simple but unsettling question is the basis of the Fermi Paradox, one of the most mind-bending concepts in science and astronomy. It strikes at the heart of who we are, where we came from, and whether we're truly alone in the cosmos. Despite our best efforts, decades of listening for alien signals, scanning exoplanets, and exploring space, we've heard nothing but silence. This cosmic quiet has puzzled scientists for decades and led to countless theories, some logical, others wild, all deeply fascinating. Buckle up as we journey through the stars to uncover the mystery of the Fermi Paradox and explore the possible answers to humanity's greatest cosmic question. If the universe is teeming with life, why haven't we seen any? Chapter 1. The Vast Silent Universe. Let's begin with a simple truth. The universe is huge, mind-bogglingly so. The Milky Way alone has over 200 billion stars. At least 1/5 of those stars have Earth-like planets in their habitable zones. That's 40 billion Earth-like worlds in just one galaxy. Now multiply that by the estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, and you get an incomprehensible number of potential homes for life. Given these odds, we should already be swimming in alien contact. Radio signals, spacecraft flybys, interstellar graffiti, anything. But instead, we're met with deafening silence. This contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial civilizations and the complete lack of contact is what physicists call the Fermi Paradox. Chapter 2. Origins of the Fermi Paradox. The Fermi Paradox gets its name from Enrico Fermi, a Nobel Prize-winning physicist. In 1950, Fermi was having lunch with fellow scientists when he blurted out a question that would haunt the scientific world for decades. Where is everybody? He wasn't joking. Fermi's point was simple. If the universe is old and full of stars and planets, then even at slow speeds, intelligent life should have spread across the galaxy by now. So why haven't we found any? The question sparked a wave of speculation, research, and philosophical debates that continue today. Chapter 3. The numbers don't lie, or do they? Enter the Drake equation, formulated by Dr. Frank Drake in 1961. This equation attempts to estimate the number of advanced civilizations in the Milky Way that could communicate with us. It factors in star formation rates, the percentage of stars with planets, number of habitable planets per star, probability of life evolving, chance that life becomes intelligent, likelihood of developing communication, the lifespan of such civilizations. Depending on how you plug in the numbers, the Drake equation gives answers ranging from 0 to millions. But even on the low end, we should have detected something. So again, why haven't we? Chapter 4. Top theories that try to solve the paradox. Let's dive into the most fascinating theories scientists, philosophers, and futurists have proposed to resolve this cosmic mystery. 1. The Great Filter. A wall we can't see. This terrifying theory suggests that somewhere along the path from simple life to interstellar civilization, there's a massive barrier, a great filter that prevents life from progressing. That filter could be the leap from single-celled to multi-celled organisms, the emergence of intelligent consciousness. Avoiding self-destruction, nuclear war, climate collapse, rogue AI. If the filter is ahead of us, then humanity is likely doomed. If it's behind us, we may be rare, perhaps even the only intelligent species to have made it this far. 2. We are early. The universe is still waking up. What if we're among the first? This theory suggests that the universe is still young in cosmic terms. Intelligent life may be extremely rare and slow to develop, and we just happen to evolve early. In this view, our role isn't just to search. We're the first torchbearers destined to pave the way for future civilizations. 3. Aliens are too advanced to notice us. Imagine a human trying to talk to an ant colony. That's the situation we may be in with hyper-advanced alien civilizations. They may operate on such different scales of time, space, and technology that our signals are too primitive to detect. They observe us without interference, the zoo hypothesis. They communicate in forms we can't perceive, quantum signals, dark matter. This theory raises a spooky question. What if we're being watched right now? 4. They don't want to talk. There's also the possibility that alien civilizations actively avoid contact. Why? They fear us or others like us. They've developed a cosmic non-interference policy. They believe communication is dangerous. Hello, Earth might be broadcasting our location to predators. It's the ultimate galactic do not disturb sign. 5. They're already here, but we don't recognize them. Some fringe thinkers suggest aliens are here, or have been, but in ways we don't understand. Ideas include: they've disguised themselves. They've merged with machines. They're microscopic, interdimensional, or energy-based. They're simulations inside a universe within a universe. Wild? Yes. Impossible? Not entirely. 6. Civilizations destroy themselves. Advanced technology brings great risk. Every technological leap increases the chances of self-destruction. Nuclear war, environmental collapse, uncontrolled AI, pandemic-level bioengineering. Perhaps the reason we don't see aliens is because they don't survive long enough to explore the stars. Sobering, isn't it? Chapter 5. What we're doing to find the truth. Despite the silence, we haven't given up. Organizations like SETI search for extraterrestrial intelligence, scan the skies for alien signals. Projects like Breakthrough Listen are using some of the world's most powerful telescopes to listen to nearby stars. NASA and other space agencies are sending robotic missions to Mars, Europa, Enceladus, and beyond. Searching for biosignatures in exoplanet atmospheres. Investigating techno-signatures like Dyson spheres. We've also launched interstellar messages, Voyager Golden Records, and even tried to beam messages to nearby stars. So far, silence. But the search continues. Chapter 6. What about UFOs and UAPs? In recent years, governments have confirmed the existence of unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, objects seen by military pilots that defy current physics. Some suggest these could be alien probes, experimental tech, natural phenomena we don't understand. While intriguing, none of these incidents prove intelligent alien life exists, but they do remind us how little we know and keep the mystery alive. Chapter 7. What it means for humanity. The Fermi Paradox isn't just a scientific puzzle, it's a cosmic mirror. If we're alone, we're incredibly rare. We carry a massive responsibility to preserve life. We might be the first step toward a galactic civilization. If we're not alone, we must prepare for contact, peaceful or not. We must survive long enough to meet them. We must evolve spiritually and ethically, as well as technologically. Either way, the question, where is everybody, forces us to think deeply about who we are, what we're capable of, and what future we want to create. Final thoughts. The silence speaks volumes. Whether aliens are common or we're truly alone, the silence of the universe teaches us something vital. It urges us to be better stewards of our planet, advance our technology wisely, explore the cosmos with humility and curiosity. Because until we find others, we are the voice of the universe, the only known species capable of asking these questions and maybe someday answering them. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on science and curiosity. This is Quantum signing off. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.